back with box 3 of the 5 breaker. We're going to hit this one first. This is a 2014 Select. Pretty good product. It's got Drew Brees on the box. We've opened some of this up last week. I really enjoy opening this up. Boom. Here we go. Alright, box 1, pack 1, total of 10 packs. Okay, we're adding some more people in the room. I can't tell you enough how sorry I am that the internet has failed us tonight. Alright, Des Bryant, E.J. Gaines, George Atkinson III. It is numbered 141 of 199. Josh McGowan, Larry Fitzgerald. Let's get the sleeve really quick. Arian Foster, Marcus Jones-Drew, Jerick McKinnon, rookie, Greg Olson, James Jones. Michael Crabtree, Kendall Wright, Eric Decker, Big Ben, and TJ Carey rookie card, numbered 24 of 99. We will sleeve this bad boy real quick. That way it gets to Mr. Kajan in tip-top shape. C.A. John Ford. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you breaking with me. Oh, you got a hit in this one. That's cool, cool. All right, Adrian Peterson, Steve Johnson, Mike Wallace, Mr. Perry of the Bears, and Isaiah Burse of the Broncos. Cool. And this is numbered 26 of 99. Spectacular. Right It's a sleeve for this card. All right, that was a good hit. We got a hit in this one. Calvin Johnson, Gronk, Keenan Allen, a Bradley Roby Defensive Rookie of the Year candidate, and the hit is Trey Mason, patch and auto. That is nice. Number 72 of 149. Third round draft pick for the Rams last year. Let's sleeve this bad boy up. Don't want anything to happen to you, Mr. Trey. All right. Got some pretty good hits in this box. This Rookie of the Year, Bradley Roby. All right, that was box one, and here comes box two. It's already open, Mike.
Nobody around 50 miles. Active players.
We run video game tournaments in the store on Tuesday nights, and they end right as we were beginning, and that may have something to do with the lag. We had the problems last week, and then the box breaks on Wednesday weren't really affected by it, nor were they Thursday. So that could be an issue, and I'll try to address it and not have the break so close to the time that this video game tournament ends. But anyway, to the chore at hand: Tony Romo, Andre Johnson, Russell Wilson, Jeff Janis, and got an Adrian Peterson, number 34 of 50. Nice blue prism. Phillip Rivers, Demaryius Thomas, Drew Brees, Steven Jackson, and Marquez Colston, number 34 of 199. Saints cut him loose. He's a great wide receiver when he was at the top of his game. Saints fans are really good fans, really love their team. There we go. Andre Roberts, Alex Smith, DeMarco Murray, LaShawn McCoy, and a Larry Fitzgerald prism card. And 2 packs to go. Dos Pacos. This pack has a hit. Sweet, sweet. Do it, do it. Nick Foles. Andrew Luck. Brett Favre. Preston Brown. Adrian Peterson patch. Sweet. And Minnesota belongs to Corey Ha 1. Corey's been breaking with me. He's broke both weeks with me so far. This is the second week I've done it, and Corey's been with me. Appreciate his business. And this card is numbered 33 of 199 of Adrian Peterson. Back in 1968, Gale Sayers had a catastrophic knee injury, which pretty much sidelined him for the entire 68 season, and then he re-injured the knee again, and he had to retire early. And the reason I'm telling you this is medicine had advanced so much that when Adrian Peterson had the same knee injury, he came back and has played, and Gale Sayers retired due to injuries. And Sayers was, I think I was telling somebody this last week, maybe on this channel, how Sayers, they waived the requirements for the Hall of Fame so Sayers could get in. The Kansas Comet, as he was called, was a phenomenal running back, as is Mr. Peterson. And then this is the last pack of the 2014 select before we hit the 2015. We got a hit in this box, in this pack too. Aaron Rodgers, Jamal Charles, Jordan Cameron, Torrey Smith, and the hit is boom. I say boom because I went to Georgia, and Aaron Rodgers is one of my favorite Georgia quarterbacks. 39 of 49. Patch on the card and an auto. That's sweet. I've only been doing breaks personally for about 2 months. Just started doing them myself. I was participating in them for about 2 months, and I just started doing them myself last week. So I am going to continue to do it, and really appreciate everyone's business. Let's go. And I know a lot of people say that, but I truly mean it. I appreciate every time you guys come to watch me break, and every cent you guys pay. I really appreciate it. I own a small business in Warner Robins, Georgia, and this is just another means for additional revenue for the store. But here we go. We're going to recap this box. Aaron Murray. It's numbered 39 of 49. Adrian Peterson. And it's numbered 33 of 199. Marquez Colston. And numbered 34 of 199. Adrian Peterson. Numbered 34 of 50. Trey Mason. Numbered 72 of 149. Isaiah Burse. Numbered 26 of 99. TJ Carey Prism and George Atkinson III Prism. And that was that box. Alright, I'm going to pause the video for a second to start fourth box.